Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday to you from TCM Gynecology. This is Michael Peluso. I was just doing some research and thinking about a few things. Oftentimes, you'll hear me ask you for the Chinese medical disease in addition to the Chinese medical pattern when you're presenting a case. And I was going through some of my books, and it dawned on me that these books by Philippe Sionneau, published by Blue Poppy, The Treatment of Disease and TCM. What's really great about this volume, actually it's about 5-volume set, actually 7-volume set. What's great about this 7-volume set is that it actually takes you through the very standard, 100 or so Chinese medical diseases, and then from there breaks down the most common actual clinical pattern presentations of those diseases. So oftentimes in gynecology, I will ask you to reframe the Western disease into its Chinese medical disease. So for instance, a patient comes in with dysmenorrhea, and we have to make sense of that, and that means painful menstruation. And so when we reframe that, we've reframed that into the Chinese medical disease of Tongjing, which is painful menstruation. There actually is a one-to-one correlation there. But sometimes when they come in with more difficult cases, say endometriosis, we have to then reframe the signs and symptoms of endometriosis into Chinese medical diseases, which can include painful menstruation, can include heavy menstruation, can include infertility. Those are common Chinese medical diseases that endometriosis would need to be reframed into before we could then make the next step toward pattern discrimination. So the Treatment of Disease and TCM, this collection of books published by Blue Poppy by Philippe Sionneau, I would look very carefully into these because they're a great reference to have for your collection. Okay, that's a tip for Friday. I hope you guys are having a beautiful summer day, and I'll see you soon.